Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. Follow each and every step carefully.
What is spot trading? Spot trading involves buying an asset at its current market price and holding it in your portfolio. You own the asset outright, meaning there is no risk of liquidation due to leverage. Whether it's crypto, forex, or stocks, spot trading allows traders to build a portfolio without worrying about margin calls or excessive risk. Why is spot trading considered safe? Number 1. No liquidation risk. Since you are not using borrowed funds, your position cannot be forcefully closed due to price fluctuations. Number 2. Lower stress and risk exposure. Unlike margin or futures trading, spot trading doesn't expose traders to extreme volatility that can wipe out their capital. Number 3. Sustainable growth. Holding assets for the long term often leads to gradual, stable returns, especially in strong markets. Number 4. Simple and transparent. You buy at the current price and sell when you find a profitable opportunity. No complicated contracts involved. DCA strategies for safe spot trading. One of the best ways to manage funds in spot trading is through dollar cost averaging, DCA. DCA is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of price fluctuations. Here's how you can apply it effectively. Number 1. Set a fixed investment amount. Instead of making a single large purchase, divide your capital into smaller portions and invest regularly. For example, instead of buying $1,000 worth of Bitcoin at once, you can invest $100 every week. Number 2. Choose a time interval. DCA works best when you follow a consistent schedule. You can buy daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your strategy. This helps you average out the cost and reduce the impact of short-term price volatility. Number 3. Focus on strong assets. DCA works best with assets that have long-term growth potential. Choose fundamentally strong cryptocurrencies, stocks, or forex pairs to maximize returns over time.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.